Welcome back to Good Day State Line. We're learning a lot this year about how to feel our best in 2022. We know that means eating the right food, shopping smart, but how can we do all of that without spending a ton of money? Millennial Nutrition founder Gillean Barkyoumb is here with us tonight. You got the tips, right?
Of course, I'm here with it all.
All right, so tell us where we should start.
Okay, so really the biggest place to start is making sure you have the right ingredients. You know, I've been a dietitian for over 10 years, and I've seen that there's just this wide spectrum of ingredients out there, which can seem super overwhelming. So that's exactly why I've teamed up with Aldi, because good nutrition really starts with what you're choosing at the grocery store. So whether you're trying to eat more fruits and vegetables, or maybe you want some plant-based alternatives, Aldi really has everything you need to eat healthy in the new year without breaking the bank.
I think that's something that is really awesome, and it's so nice to hear from you, because Aldi, I feel like when you walk in, you notice something new every single time you go. And like now we're learning about different ways, whether you're talking plant-based or more vegetables, maybe like some of those hidden, I see you have the cauliflower crackers, like the hidden vegetables, which is good. That's all about ingredients, right?
Of course, exactly. And you know, I think a lot of times we think that eating healthy has to be expensive, but it really doesn't have to be that way. Really, the first step is restocking with items at Aldi. In fact, they did a recent study and found that Aldi has the lowest prices in Illinois compared to other grocery retailers. So we're really hitting it out of the park here. I actually got all of this stuff here for under $50.
Whoa.
And we're talking some high quality products. Like you said, we got our cauliflower crackers, I got quinoa, chia seeds, even some organic products, all of this for under $50, which is showing you that eating healthy really doesn't have to be expensive.
So you've got all those ingredients, but then you got to put them together somehow. So what are some of your favorite better for you recipes that you want to tell us about?
Yes. Okay, let's start with breakfast, the most important meal of the day, right? So we're gonna start with protein toast. I use this Love and Fresh keto-friendly bread, which if you're looking to be a little more carb conscious, this is a great option. And then I paired it with the Simply Nature hummus. I love the flavor of their hummus. Topped it with a fried egg and a little sprinkle of chia seeds on there. Pair it with a side of fruit and you have a breakfast that's gonna keep you fueled throughout the morning.
That sounds delicious. What about lunch?
So if you're like me, lunch is like hectic, right? You're in between Zoom calls or meetings, you have a lot going on, so you need something super quick and easy. I love to make a snack plate. So to build out your snack plate, you first start with fruits and vegetables, and I love that Aldi has their produce delivered fresh daily, so you're really getting the best. So you can do things like grapes, raspberries, blueberries, carrots. Put that all on your snack plate, then add in those yummy cauliflower crackers from Simply Nature. And of course you need a dip if you have crackers. So I just mashed up some avocado here, but you could also add in the hummus here. And lastly, if you have any leftovers from dinner, throw them on there. Really, anything goes with a snack plate. Anything you can make in under 3 minutes for a quick lunch is perfect.
I love that, especially because so many of us are doing, like you said, so many crazy things at lunchtime. Sometimes it's like, okay, I'm gonna take a couple bites, I gotta do something, I'm gonna come back, and having that whole plate ready makes it a little easier.
Exactly.
All right, before we go, give us your dinner tip.
Okay, so for Chipotle Burger Bowl, you're gonna love this because it's just as simple and convenient as these other dishes here. So we're using the earth-grown black bean Chipotle burger. These are plant-based burgers that they're frozen, you just put them in a skillet to toast them up. I'm gonna pair it with the earthly greens, quinoa and some vegetables. So what I love about this dish is you could literally have these things in your freezer and in your pantry. So on those nights when you don't know what to make for dinner, you don't have anything planned, you could quickly whip up a Chipotle Burger Bowl.
I love that. That is every night for me. I don't have any idea what I want to eat. I'm just hungry. Thank you so much, Gillean. I'm sure we can get all those information on Aldi's website, right?
Yep, you want to go to aldi.us. You can find which store is closest to you and also learn about their curbside pickup and delivery options there as well.
Awesome. Thanks so much for joining us tonight. We have more Good Day State Line next with Game Day.